What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to do a nice little install and review video on these Lasfit floor mats. So the old style floor mats that I had were from a different company. A lot of you have complained that they were delaminating on our other video. So we ended up picking up a set of these, and we're going to go ahead and try these out and see if these end up with a better result than the previous floor mats we had. So these are laser cut floor mats, just like your WeatherTechs, your Husky liners, things like that. They're just a lot more affordable. So Lasfit reached out to us, wanted us to review these on the truck. So I guess we'll go ahead and throw them in and see how they look, and then we'll probably do a review video in a couple months to see how they end up with the nice Florida mud and dirt and grime and all that. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so just looking at these floor mats, they're actually a nice thick molded rubber. They do have these little cleats on the bottom so it won't slide around, as well as they use the Ford OEM snaps. So obviously if you put your foot down on them, you don't push them up under the gas or the brake pedals. So we'll go ahead and throw these guys in real quick and see how they fit. So, as you can see, the fit and finish is actually really nice. They go around the factory seat tracks here, pop into the factory holes, and actually they line up pretty perfectly with all of the lines in the truck. Alright, try and get these guys in here. Push yours up a little bit forward. So what I actually do like is this lip right here, which allows, if you spill anything, it's not going to go under into the carpet and up into your storage area, things like that. They're molded to run basically if you spill coffee or you have kids and make tons of mess. They're designed so that all of the fluid either gets trapped up here that you can clean up, and if it doesn't, you're gonna slide yours over, there we go. And if it doesn't, then it runs down out of the truck, so you don't end up getting your carpet all nasty and permanently stained. So I actually like, these are cut really nice up close to the console, to the seat tracks. I like that it goes under the seat, so you know, if something spills this way, or you stop hard and the drink goes this way, it's not going to go completely under the seat. It's going to hit that, stop, and then get caught up here. So I really like these. These are actually really nice, thick, quality rubber, it appears. Yeah, I guess we'll give you guys a little overview of all the lines. Alright, so I just got an email. As we were installing these floor mats, the company actually gave us a 10% discount code for our subscribers. So if you guys type in OFLG for Out of Line Garage, OFLG10, you'll get 10% off of these floor mats up until, I think, the end of the month. So thank you guys for watching. I'll probably do a 3-month or a couple month update with these later on. See if maybe we can do some type of giveaway with them. But for right now, these seem like really quality mats. So I'll go ahead and link them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.